This is the TicWatch S2 smartwatch. It's an Android smartwatch. And as I do with all my purchases, I kind of like giving a video of what does the item look like when you get it in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to see what it looks like. Sorry, I meant to do an actual unboxing video and deleted the video by accident. So I've already opened this and played with it a little bit, so I'm going to just kind of improvise and show you. Basically, you're going to get this box in, sealed in plastic. There's not a whole lot to show you with the unboxing. When you open it up, you're going to have obviously the watch in there. You get a full instruction manual written in multiple languages, and then you get a quick startup guide just for charging and setting your watch up. You get a nice standard USB charging cable. It's got a little rubber connector that's attached to it so you can roll it up easily. It charges with a magnetic base, which is pretty standard with a lot of your smartwatches. You're just going to connect that to the back of the watch and it'll charge. So pretty basic stuff. And then you get the watch itself. Oops, sorry. You can swipe that way to get to Google Assist, and you can change all of this stuff. Swipe that way to get to your settings. You can hit your button over here to go to all your different apps. But really responsive. So far I've been really happy with it.